product of self array. So we have been given the array like this, and we have to calculate the product except the number itself. So for example, if we remove 1, so 6 into 2 into 3 is 6, and multiply by 4 is 24. So 24 comes here. And for this, excluding this, 3, 4, 1 is going to make 12. So this is how we have to make it. So what we are actually going to do here is we will try to do this by using prefix. This is our input array, and for any ith element, which is nums of I, so what mathematically means this? So for any results that comes here, the number at I minus 1 and then plus 1, if we have such product in a way, then it will be very easy. So we are going to do this in two pass. One is prefix pass, first in this direction and then second in the opposite direction. First we are going to calculate doing the prefix pass, and we are going to update our prefix variable as using this nums of. Every time we are going to multiply the prefix with nums of I, and when we are moving the backward, then postfix is again something nums of I. Then when we have prepared these two arrays that you are going to see very easily, then when we are doing the return pass, then we are going to build the examples. Let me just remove this. So for now, we are at the prefix pass, you can see, and let's start rolling our numbers. So 1 into, we have initial value of prefix is 1. Okay. That's not working. All right. So this and 1 1, and then we 1 multiply by 2, then we are here, and then 2 into 3, it's going to yield 6 for us, and then 6 into 4 is going to yield 20. We are actually bound of the array, so in that case, now we are going to do the reversing it with postfix 1 multiply by. At this stage, we are going to multiply the prefix and postfix and then store the result. So 6 into 1 is 6, and then now we have to update our prefix product index. So it is going to be 1 into 2 2, and then you multiply them, and this is how you continue back. So and coding it is actually very easy. Let me show you how you can, using only just one simple array in O of n space, we will be able to build our solution. let's go to the code. I hope the it is clear. Like you can see, if you look at the ith variable, first it's increased, then it decreased. So that means we are doing it two ways. And you can see your postfix array getting updated as we do it. So when you are doing practice written on code dive, make sure to also look at the variable scope, and you can also put your notes that we do to pass. First is prefix, postfix. So I have saved that, and now we can start coding it. So we can initialize a result array with all of the values as 1. If they are 0, then our this algorithm won't work. So we are going to put an initial value of 1. Let's make prefix as 1. For I in range of length of nums, we are going to make our result of ith index as prefix, and then so in this pass we just assign prefix and then update prefix with multiplying with the nums of I, and then we can make postfix for I length of nums -1. So result of I. In the post, the only difference in postfix is we actually multiply with postfix and then update. So this is a common pitfall. Usually people make mistake here. So prefix is we directly assign, and then postfix is we multiply, because now you are making your result array as the answer. Return. Let's try to execute it, see if it's going to work. Let me try to submit it. It passes all the test cases. Thank you.
Enjoyed this problem? There are hundreds more completely free, no login needed. Head over to codedive.in and start solving today.